From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for February 22nd, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Now, before I begin the analysis for the day today, later on today, much later today, 4:45 p.m. Eastern U.S. time, retail sales out of New Zealand. Of course, long way away, but could affect this currency pair specifically. So we're starting here on the daily time frame. A couple of things that we want to make note of. First off, the previous uptrend, the rising blue trend line. It was a significant upside move from all the way down here into the 6,800 level to the 7,400 level at the top of the chart. In recent weeks, we have seen three challenges, and you see this blue box at the very top of the blue trend line and top of the chart. Blue box showing 1, 2, 3 instances coming up into the 7,400 level, a little bit above there, but into that zone, the yellow zone at the top, finding resistance and reversing and going back down. We see the first attempt on the left-hand side of the blue box falling and settling into the pink shaded area. That's important for the day today. Falling from the yellow zone, settling into the pink zone. Then it went up again, found resistance at the yellow zone, went deeper down to the green shaded area into the 7,200 or so level. Then it came right back up into the yellow zone. Now here we are. And again, important, the pink shaded area, 73.10, 73.25. Again, over here with this little black box is on top of the pink zone. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days found support above that 73.25, 73.10 level. We've been there for 2 days now. So the question is, will we find support like the first attempt into the pink shaded area, or will it break through like the second move into the pink shaded area? You know, we have two distinct times that it touched the yellow zone at the top and came back down towards this pink zone. One bounced off it, went back up, one broke through it and continued to go lower. So we need to watch for two different opportunities here at the pink shaded area. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. So there again, you can see those two distinct times. Support over here into the pink zone, breakthrough here into the pink zone. So one of two things is going to happen here. Either it bounces off, goes back up, or it breaks through. That's it. There's only two scenarios that we need to worry about here for the New Zealand dollar today. If it finds support, bounces off, we would have, of course, looked for it back to the orange zone. Why the orange zone? 73.55, 70. Look back at the black box on the left. That's what happened. If it breaks through 73.10, the pink zone, we look for it to go down to the blue zone. Why the blue zone? All you have to do is look under the pink zone. The blue zone is significantly support. And of course, further down would be the green zone. So we need to figure out one of these two things for the day today. Again, news today may be a little bit of a change here, but we'll have to see how the day plays out. I think predominantly 1, 2, 3, 4 days, previous 4 days bearish, so we need to take that into account. A bearish move here for the New Zealand dollar in the past 4 days. If that momentum, sentiment, trend continues, and we can call this a trend, especially if you were looking at the smaller time frames. If that continues, we look for the breakout underneath 73.10, the continuation to the blue zone. And that would be a change if it turns around and goes back up. I want to take the older fib off here. And let's see, I'm going to zoom out a little bit and take all the other Fibonacci ranges off. And I'm going to zoom back in and take one simple fib. Let's take a fib from the low, the most recent low here, to the current resistance high. Here's something interesting. We're underneath the 382, challenging the 50%. That's just underneath the 73.10 level. 618 down here towards 62.75, or sorry, 72.75, the closer towards the blue shaded area. So if it breaks the pink zone, it's breaking the 50% retracement level and also going further down towards the blue shaded area. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, we're looking for signs and evidence around this pink shaded area. Right now, we've seen it bounce off of it the past 16 hours or so, has found support into 73.10, bounced off, and went back up to 73.25. I don't think that this is a clear clue that it's going to go back up. You know, we see it moving up right now. We see a little bit of a blue candle there pressuring higher, but I just don't think that this is a clear clue that it's going back up. In fact, just a little bit of a bounce, retracement, a move underneath this pink zone will give me better indications that it's going to continue to go lower. So what I'm looking for is a candle body underneath the pink zone and a continuation down to the blue shaded area. I think we need much more significant indications of bullish pressure. In fact, I don't think I'd be buying this unless we got back above the orange zone. So buyers, be cautious here at the pink zone. Buying above the orange zone, I think, gives us a better clue, and the red trend line gives us a better clue to reversal to go back up. So right now, I'm looking for opportunities to go short. Could be a rally back to the orange zone, but mostly underneath the pink zone for a short opportunity for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.